Welcome back, beautiful souls. Thank you for being here. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a guided healing meditation, a healing for your nervous system, for fight, flight, or freeze response. And this could come from either this life, sometime in your childhood. We all kind of have it. It's kind of built into our DNA. It could come from ancestry, from past lineages. So all you need right now is some peace, a calm, quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Go ahead and get comfortable. And when you get there, gently close your eyes, and I'm going to guide you through a meditation. Let's inhale slowly through your nose and exhale with a sigh. Feel your body being supported by the chair or bed or the earth beneath you. Imagine roots gently extending down from your body into the ground beneath you. Visualize roots extending from your body and moving gently into the rich soil of the earth, moving deeper and deeper into Mother Gaia. As you extend these roots further and further into the earth, you feel strong, steady, and safe. On each exhale, release and let go of any tension in your body or any energy area. On each inhale, invite calm, healing golden light. Say silently to yourself, "It is safe for me to be here. It is safe for me to rest." Now bring your awareness to the back of your neck, where the spine meets the base of your skull. This is a place where the body often holds the fight or flight response. Gently, without strain, let your chin dip slightly down, lengthening the back of your neck. Then slowly lift your chin, opening the throat space. Do this 2 or 3 times slowly and gently at your own pace while you breathe. Now slowly turn your head to the right and hold for a moment. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly turn your head to the left. Inhale and exhale. When you're finished, come back to center. Imagine that with each gentle movement, you are unwinding fear, survival energy, and old reflexes. The nervous system is softening. The reptilian brain, that old part of us that wants to fight or flee, is being soothed with this gentle, healing, golden white light. You can see warm golden light coming in through the crown of your head. This light gently flows down your head, feeling it. This light moves into every cell and completely fills your head and flows down the back of your neck. This healing light gets brighter in the front and the back of your neck, and eventually both sides of your neck, until your neck is completely filled with this golden, rich, nourishing, healing light. See this light transmuting anything that is other than light, any dark energies, any memories stored here. They are all slowly dissipating and turning into a bright, golden, brilliant, healing, soothing light. Now the only thing that remains is bright, brilliant, golden light. This light moves from your neck, flowing gently down your spine, filling every nook and space, moving from vertebra to vertebra. This light heals and strengthens as it moves down your spine, lubricating every joint as it goes. This beautiful, brilliant, golden, healing, soothing light flows down your entire spine, filling all of your organs and reaching into your hips. This light fills all of your sexual organs, each and every bone, every ligament, all blood and tissue. This golden, healing, magnificent light moves down your hips, down your thighs and quads, gently moving and filling warmly all the way down to your knees, where this healing light lubricates all of your joints. This light moves down your shins and your calves, loosening and relaxing all tense muscles and joints, and eventually reaching your heels. This healing, soothing, golden, bright light moves into your feet, relaxing your feet, soothing them. Your entire being is now filled with this magical, healing, golden, soothing, liquid light, and it shines from the inside of your being to the space around you, filling the space around you with golden, healing light. It emanates out from the core of your being, shining brighter and brighter, filling the space around you to eventually filling the entire diameter of the space around you by about 500 feet. Bring your awareness now to your heart. Imagine a soft rose golden light glowing here. This light expands and flows through your whole body, into your shoulders, moving through your arms. This soft rose gold light fills your legs and into the back of your neck again. Now imagine this rose gold light flowing backward through your family line, through your ancestry, any survival patterns, any old fears or burdens that were carried by your parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, and beyond. Allow them to be met by this healing, soothing light. You do not need to carry what is not yours. You can bless it and release it. Say silently or aloud, I honor my lineage. I release the survival patterns that no longer serve me. I allow peace, ease, and flow to take their place. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale, ease. Exhale and release. Feel your whole body bathed in this soothing golden light, feeling calm and alive. Notice the stillness in your mind, the openness in your heart, and the softness in your body. Imagine yourself moving forward in life, no longer led by fight, flight, or freeze, but now you experience ease, flow, and inner trust. Imagine waking each and every day with more calm, more clarity, and more joy. As we close, place your hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel your body here and now. Whisper to yourself, I am safe. I am enough. I live in ease and flow. I receive with ease. I deserve a life of ease, flow, and grace. And I am worthy just because I exist. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this calm presence into the rest of your day or into your sleep. Thank you for being here. May your nervous system be at peace. May your lineage be blessed. And may your life unfold with ease, flow, grace, and abundance. I'm sending you so much love, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.